I want to apologize about the blur. It is something's wrong with my device, and I'm not sure what it is. But man, space is very interesting. Very interesting topic. There's so much to know about space. We know about space more about it than we do our own planet. Um, my name is Sumner, and in first year of college, I'm going to be talking about space and why it is interesting. I want to teach you about it. So, first thing that's interesting about space that everybody knows about are black holes. Black holes are these big masses of gravity, this center of gravity that is so powerful that it even sucks the light around it in. We know of one that's gigantic, the biggest one we've ever seen in reality, in the center of our universe. Its name is Sagittarius A. The way we discovered it is according to NASA. We learned by watching how the black hole bends the light around it. You can't even see it through a telescope. The only way we know it exists is the light that's being trapped by the immense amount of gravity that's being bent around it is how we discovered them. Another thing that we didn't know about black holes is that they are inescapable. There's even theoretical studies by people from Harvard and Brown who have studied how black holes can slow down time due to the immense amount of gravity. That's why it appears that things just disappear inside of it because it slows down. It's very interesting. It slows down time and it causes it to become non-existent. We don't know where they go. We don't know what happens when it goes inside of one. All we know is that once it gets sucked in, it's gone. But that's enough about black holes. Some other stuff people are concerned about when we talk about space are planets. Planets are, there's billions of billions of billions of planets that are surrounding billions and billions of stars. Each planet is very unique in its own way. Like Mars could possibly have life before, had water maybe. We'll talk about Venus. It's so hot it would melt titanium, which is some of the strongest metal with the highest melting point. There are planets out there that are even kind of like Earth. They they have properties that can hold life, like water, atmosphere, and they have oxygen, which is insane. But they're so far away that we probably won't see colonization on another planet in our lifetime. There are planets made of crystal. There are planets made of diamond. They're crazy. Some planets don't even have an atmosphere. Then you have planets like Jupiter. The planets like Jupiter have such a strong gravity that it just smashes everything on impact. Plus, Jupiter isn't even a solid, it's a gaseous planet. Planets like that are called gas giants. They have no solid surface, but they are composed of gravity and particles inside. The last thing people think about when we talk about space is aliens. Now, everybody has their own belief on aliens. Some people just don't even think they're real at all. Some people think they're made up. Some people think they are real. I mean, there's even UFO sightings on our planet that it's a large controversy on our planet. But there was an asteroid found last year that was discovered that contained micro micro microorganisms on it in ice on the asteroid. It's very interesting. There's also there was water. They say that there was water on Mars, and all life needs is sunlight, water, and air. But after that, the last thing people need is that um, aliens can be found pretty much anywhere. They don't have to obey the simple laws of life. They can breathe helium for who knows. It's very interesting how space can have so many different things that we don't know about, and it's endless. So, when we discuss space, there are many, many topics to talk about. Yeah, space is so interesting, and I hope I taught you a few things about black holes and aliens and planets. And That's why I think it's very interesting and it's important to learn. Um, Again, sorry about the poor quality, and thank you for your time.